It was an ordinary afternoon in the busy town. People strolled, children played, and shopkeepers chatted outside their stores. But above them, the sky began to shift, heavy with dark, rolling clouds. In the middle of it all, a little girl paused. She felt the very first raindrop land on her hand. Around her, grown-ups hurried, looking up nervously at the sky. Suddenly, the sky burst open with heavy rain. People rushed for cover, but the little girl laughed, splashing happily in her raincoat. The little girl laughed joyfully, twirling in her tiny raincoat, splashing in puddles as if the storm were her playground. Someone shouted, "It's raining cats and dogs." The girl giggled, looking up as if she could almost imagine kittens and puppies tumbling down from the clouds. For a moment, even the storm felt magical.
And that's how we use the idiom, raining cats and dogs. Hee hee, don't worry, no real cats or dogs are falling from the sky. It's just a funny way to say, it's raining very, very heavily. For example, I forgot my umbrella, and then, oh no, it started raining cats and dogs. So next time you see a big storm, you'll know exactly what to say.